Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to see if I can put some cross bracings across the studs. Yeah, because for the while I have them standing, they're not doing anything. Some of them actually started bending on me, you know. And yeah, so that's one of the reasons, just to prevent it from bending anymore. But other than that, it's going to help to brace the building as well, to keep the building a little bit more sturdy. Yeah, so this video is not going to be long, because that's basically all I'm going to do today. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but today is a rainy day. And then all my floor is wet up. Yeah, I still have tarpaulin on one side of the building, but on one side I already put up the roofing sheets, and all those bracings. If you want to check that out, you can check out the past videos. Yeah, so right now I have already cut all my strips and I place them in the area where I'm going to put them. So one is going to go there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I also put a little piece right there in between there, so I'm just going to brace them up. Yeah, I just come from cutting them. And yeah, what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using some screws. I'm not going to be doing nailing, so I went by Do It Center and I bought those premium interior wood screws. It's 3.5. Yeah, so I bought 2 boxes, so I'll do as much as the screws can allow me to do. And I borrowed this impact driver, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Yeah. For this side, I'm just going to make a mark at about 5 feet high. So that's where I'm going to be laying the boards, 5 feet high. Of course, they're going to be staggered, one will be up, one will be down. Yeah, it's just so that it will be easier to screw. be perfect, right? I know this might not look like much for some people, but I just know that every little bit that I do just brings me one step closer to completing this project, and for that I am grateful.
And the voice I hear falling on my ear, the Son of God discloses, and He walks with me and He talks.
If you made it this far, let me just take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching. I'm indeed grateful that you can take your time out to watch me do some stuff on my little small office building project. Yeah, that's about it for this video, and to thank you guys once again, and feel free to subscribe to just to help support this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.